Hello viewers, in this video I will illustrate the steps to force exit your existing position on the KyaTrade app. To do so, tap on the portfolio menu shown as a briefcase icon on the app dashboard. Here, you will see your active intraday and investment positions. In this illustration, we have an open investment position. Navigating to the investment tab, you will find details of your investment like script name, held quantities, average buy price, current market price and the current state of the position, either in profit or loss. If you wish to force exit a position on the app, tap on exit and then tap on yes to confirm. Wait until the app executes your order. And that's it. Your exit order is executed successfully. Moreover, if Samco's research team decides to close an opportunity, you will get a prompt notification for exits and you will have to manually force exit the order from the app in the same manner. I hope this video was informative. If you need any assistance, feel free to call us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support. Thank you.